Here I have SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to record some video in slow motion. If you don't know how to do it, you can find this video tutorial on our channel. So go check it out, record some video in slow-mo, and then turn back here. So like you pick your slow motion video, and here with these sliders you can change its speed. So like where you have dots close to each other, this like part of the video will be normal speed, but where are there's some distance between them, this like part will be very slow. So as you can see right now, I can like make video very quick, just like in normal speed. But if I put these sliders on the whole video, I can make it all like really slow. So yeah, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.